Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about POL.com reviews. And in this video, I'll also help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this particular website, and it is an online shopping store that deals with multiple products including home products, bags, bras, dresses, gowns, home and kitchen items, Indo-Western, jeans, jewelry, kurtis, night suits, lehengas, and various other accessories related to your kitchen. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, as they are offering pretty discounts, massive discounts on these items. And apart from that, the citizens of India are curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. So coming to the payment information, you can see they have mentioned Visa, MasterCard, Discover and American Express payment methods on the site. And apart from that, when it comes to the shipping policy, so let's check out the shipping policy of this site. So this is the shipping policy page, guys, and here they have mentioned that tracking numbers of the orders shipped might take 48 to 72 hours to become active on the courier websites, and they have not provided the exact shipping duration on this page, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, let's check out any FAQ section if they have. So they don't have any FAQ section, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, guys, which is a positive sign. And when it comes to the domain information of this site, it was created on 5th of April 2021. It means that this is 5 days old website which is recently created or launched, and this site is only registered for 1 year only. So guys, we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age. Apart from that, when it comes to the company's information, let's check out the About Us page to know more about this site. So this is the About Us information here, but they have not provided the info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is again a negative sign. So when it comes to the contact details, let's check out the contact us page. So guys, they have provided the contact details in connect with us option. They have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a plus point. But you need to be aware regarding the email address, because most of the scam and problematic sites use fake email addresses. So they have not provided the official address information on the web page, which is a negative sign, and this makes the site quite suspicious, guys. Now when it comes to the social media presence of the site, you can see they have provided 5 social media icons including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest, but these social media icons are inactive or misleading. Yes guys, when you will check out the presence of the social media icons, you will be redirected to the homepage or the product category of the particular site, which is a negative sign. Now it comes to the when it comes to the return policy, so let's check out the return policy. So guys, here they have mentioned 7 days of return policy. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And when it comes to the POL.com reviews, no reviews are available about this site on the internet, guys, nor on the official website, which is again a drawback of this particular site. And we know that customer reviews plays a crucial role while defining a website's legitimacy. Now, when it comes to the trust index score, it is a 27%, which is again a negative sign. It means that the site has low trustworthiness score and low traffic as well. So the site is not much popular online, guys. So there are so many loopholes that makes the site quite suspicious and creates a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this particular site. So in the final conclusion, based on the various drawbacks, we can conclude this review by saying that this site appears to be scam or suspicious. So you should stay away from such type of websites and wait for some time as well. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.